Hey y'all, I'm just coming at you real quick because I got something that I just want to try. Y'all know I don't like to waste food, so I have some leftover rice. And so what I'm doing is I'm making me, grandma and I a quick little, brunch with it. So I tried to get to y'all quick as I could before this got going too fast. So what I'm doing is I'm breaking down these sausages. I have sausage patty. I have minced sausages that I have cut up in here. I got my rice. And we're gonna see where this goes. So don't know what I'm about to do, but we finna do it together. Okay? Y'all know I like to experiment in the kitchen and stuff like that. So let's see how this turns out. So getting that broken down real good, stirring up those sausages, getting them fried up together. And I got one last little piece of sausage here that I'm just gonna cut up in here. Use whatever kind of sausage that you want to use. There's no specific kind of sausage, just smoked sausage, and just go with it. I'm just coming up with something, y'all. Okay. So getting the sausage cut up and fried up right down in there. You can add you some onion, bell pepper, whatever that you want. Just throw it on in there. Mushrooms. We're gonna see. Alright, so when the sausage brown up and cook up enough, we're going to go on to the next step. Okay, y'all. So, the sausage is fried up and browned up enough for me. So now I'm just going to take it out. Put it in our pan. So in my pan now I'm going to add 3 eggs and I'm going to fry them up. Alright y'all, so the egg is pretty much getting, it's ready. So I'm going to flip it over and fry it on this side. I love fried egg in rice and noodles and stuff like that. Something like some type of fried rice. Yeah, I love it. So not gonna fry too hard, so that's good enough for this egg. Put that right on over in now. So now we're gonna get, I got some cabbages, I got some rice. We're gonna get a little bit more oil put down in here. Just like that. And so now we're gonna get the rice. I got some rice right here. And then I got some cabbage that I pulled out my freezer that I'm gonna be adding to it. So we're gonna get this going together. Y'all just throw whatever you like in there. You could throw you some bell peppers. You could throw your onions, mushrooms. You could throw you some chicken. whatever you like. Just mix it all together. Make you a stir fry. Okay. So now we're just gonna get these ingredients mixed together and fried up enough until you know, my rice heat through and my cabbage, you know, thaw out. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna take my onion. I slice big like that. Take my onion and we're gonna get that down in here as well. I want the onion to still have a little crunch to them. Don't want them too soft. And this little bit goes a long way, y'all. Since I'm adding all this to it. You know, I only had, seemed like enough rice to barely, you know, barely enough for 2 people. But after adding all that I'm adding to it, it's just stretching it on out and making it more than enough for us to have. Enough for now and for later. So got that. Put as much onion as you would like in yours. So that's how I'm doing mine. I like the onion in it, so I'm adding more. Breaking that cabbage down because it's frozen. I'm just gonna get that fried up. Fried on up. I'm gonna fry this enough until my cabbages, you know, start wilting a little bit. And my onions get a little, you know, a little bit cooked, but not too much, because I don't, like I said, I don't want it to be much soft. I still want it to have a little crunch. So in this, I'm going to add some HEYY dust. HEYY dust is my all-purpose seasoning. It's good on any and everything that you can imagine to put it on. This is the low sodium version of it that I'm using. We're going to get this mixed around. I don't know if I'm going to make a sauce to go on it or not. We're going to see by the time we get close to getting done if I want to add a sauce or not. You know, my own version of a teriyaki sauce. So now that the rice and everything, I got to the point where it's heating up, I'm going to take me some green onions, and these are straight out my freezer. I prepped. We're going to go in with the green onions. Give it a nice and pretty color. Okay. So now I'm about to go in with these sausages and eggs. You can add bacon to this. Whatever. Just make it your own. Make it your own. As long as you're throwing together things that you like, how can you go wrong? Look at that. Don't that look good? Don't that look good, y'all? Yes. That looks very, very, very delicious. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna go on top of this with a little soy sauce to bring out some color, you know, a little darkness to the rice. And then we're gonna add let's see. We're gonna add a little oyster sauce just for a little bit more flavor up in there, like that. Get all that mixed together, and then we're gonna give it a taste and see where we at in flavor land. Yeah, I like coming up with these stir fries and stuff like that. You know, because you just never know what you come up with, you know. And then it turns out to be oh so good. Just making a one-pot meal. I need to get me a wok though so I can, see? So I won't have this problem right here. But y'all, look how it stretches that rice out. See, I just stretched this whole meal by adding all these vegetables, cabbages, rice, smoked sausage, sausage patty that I broke down into crumbles, cabbages, onions, green onion. You can add bell pepper, mushrooms. Can you imagine the mushrooms in here, y'all? The mushrooms would be, oh, yes. The mushrooms would be so good in this. Put you some whole mushrooms off in it. I love mushrooms in my stir fries. Especially when I go to a Chinese restaurant. I think that's why I'm making a lot of these stir fries, because I'm missing my Chinese food, y'all. So that's all that's all I really want, y'all. But, you know, and being in the house, we only limited to what we can get and stuff like that, and I'm not gonna be going out to eat, so I'd rather bring what I want to my home. Okay, so we're gonna give this a taste. Let's see. There you go. Let me know what you think now. So flavorful. It's perfect, just like this, y'all. Okay. So I'm not going to add a sauce or anything to it because I like it just like it is. But if you want to, you can go and add your soy sauce to, a sauce to it. Teriyaki sauce, you know, simple, easy with the brown sugar and the soy sauce. And just pour it right on there to enhance that flavor even further. One more bite. Y'all look at that. And that made a big pan. You want me to blow it for you? That's ready, y'all. There you go. The flavors in there is good. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all try this recipe. I hope you like it. If you try it, let me know what you think. Peace, love, and bless to each and every one of you guys. Till next time, y'all have a good one. Stay in the house and stay safe.